Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a 3D halo text effect in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1920 by 1080. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a shape of the artboard size. Go to the Object menu, and Lock and Selection. Go to the Type tool, and type the alphabet. And change its case to upper. And font to Gotham Black. Right-click, and choose Create Outline. Go to the Effect menu, 3D, and Materials, 3D Classic, and then Extrude and Bevel. Change the position to Isometric Top. Depth to 180. And Surface to No Shading. Go to the Object menu and expand Appearance. Change its fill to Outline. Increase its stroke weight to 1.5. Go to the Shape Builder tool. And follow the process. Right-click on it and choose Ungroup. Hold the Alt button for a copy of it. And apply the red color to it. Make another copy of it. And change the color to yellow. Select both and go to the Object menu, Blend, and Make. Blend, and Blend Options. Set its specified steps to 300. Bring the outlines to the front. Go to the Direct Selection tool, and you can adjust the position anytime. Create another copy of this top. And change the outline to a dashed outline. Make a copy of it. Select the top shape using the Direct Selection tool, and change its color to the background color using the eyedropper. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.